Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best DJI Gimbal 6 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools a content creator can add to their arsenal, offering unparalleled stabilization for smooth, cinematic shots that elevate your videography to a professional level, making shaky footage a thing of the past and allowing you to capture breathtaking action sequences with incredible ease and precision, ensuring every frame is as steady and polished as you've envisioned. Number 5. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer. Unfold it and it powers on instantly. Just snap in your phone, and the app opens automatically. You'll be ready to capture amazing shots the moment inspiration strikes. Experience incredibly smooth and stable videos, even when you're on the move. Its advanced stabilization technology ensures shake-free results every time. Easily check battery and status, and switch between filming modes with the new built-in panel. Choose from 4 modes to match your creative vision. Don't leave anyone out of the frame. The built-in extension rod lets you include more friends, pets, or scenery. Get dynamic selfies from unique angles. It's designed for adventure. This compact, foldable stabilizer is easy to pack. The magnetic phone clamp lets you attach your phone quickly, so you're always ready to shoot. This device is your ultimate partner for creating stunning content. It's perfect for vlogging on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, ensuring professional-looking results. What we like. This gimbal is incredibly portable and sets up in seconds, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Its quick launch feature means you're always ready to capture content the moment inspiration strikes. If you're a vlogger or content creator who needs a reliable and easy-to-use stabilizer that fits seamlessly into your on-the-go lifestyle, this is the one for you. What people say. The DJI OM6 has a built-in extension rod and tripod, making it incredibly versatile for different shooting scenarios. Its magnetic design allows for quick attachment and detachment of smartphones, saving time and effort during setup. The improved stabilization system ensures smooth and professional-looking footage, even when moving. Number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile SE Gimbal. Introducing the DJI Osmo Mobile SE, your ultimate companion for creating stunning content on the go. This portable and foldable gimbal is designed for all your adventures, making content creation effortless. Never miss a beat with our advanced Active Track 6.0. It keeps your subject in focus, whether it's energetic kids, playful pets, or even yourself. Become the star of your own story without any extra help. Take command with your Apple Watch. The DJI Mimo app transforms your watch into a smart remote, allowing you to view feeds, adjust angles, and capture photos and videos remotely. Elevate your videos with intelligent editing tools. From guided assistance to inspiring templates, go beyond simple cuts and create edits that truly stand out. Achieve cinematic quality with 3-axis stabilization. Our next-generation algorithm ensures real-time compensation for incredibly smooth footage, no matter the movement. Seamlessly switch between landscape and portrait orientations. Capture everything from dramatic, cinematic shots to casual social media content with ease. Easily monitor battery life and switch between modes like follow, tilt lock, FPV, and spin shot with the new status panel. Its ergonomic, non-slip design ensures a secure and comfortable grip. What we like. Experience unparalleled subject tracking with its advanced AI, ensuring your subject stays perfectly framed even during fast action. The unique ability to control it remotely via an Apple Watch offers incredible freedom for solo creators. If you often film dynamic subjects like pets or children, or if you want to be the star of your own shots without needing a second person, this gimbal will elevate your content. What people say. The DJI OM6 gimbal is incredibly easy to set up and use, making it perfect for beginners. Its foldable design makes it very portable and convenient to carry around. The built-in extension rod and tripod offer great versatility for different shooting angles. Number 3. Magnetic Quick Release Mount for DJI Gimbal. Introducing the Magnetic Quick Release Mount, designed to revolutionize your DJI Gimbal experience. It offers a strong magnetic connection for seamless phone attachment and detachment. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of DJI Osmo mobile gimbals and works with both MagSafe iPhones and other smartphones using the included metal ring. It even holds larger phones securely. Forget the hassle of traditional clamps. This magnetic mount allows for quicker setup, better balance, and avoids pressing your phone's side buttons, offering a more convenient recording experience. Easily attach or detach your phone with just one hand, perfect for answering calls or messages on the go. Its design ensures your phone stays put without accidental button presses. Equipped with strong magnets, it ensures your phone stays securely attached to your gimbal, providing a stable and reliable shooting experience. Detaching your phone is now incredibly simple. Beyond your gimbal, this mount features double-sided magnets. It can securely hold your phone against metallic surfaces or be used on non-metal surfaces with the included ring. What we like. This accessory offers a super convenient magnetic mounting system, allowing for effortless phone attachment and detachment. It's designed to work seamlessly with MagSafe iPhones and other phones with an included ring, providing a more stable connection than traditional clamps. If you prioritize speed and ease of use, especially with MagSafe compatible phones, and want to avoid fiddling with clamps, this is an essential upgrade for your gimbal. What people say. The DJI OM6 is a fantastic gimbal that offers incredible stabilization for smooth video footage. Its compact and foldable design makes it very portable and easy to carry around. The built-in extension rod and tripod are very useful for different shooting scenarios. Number 2. Insta360 Flow Creator Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the Insta360 Flow Creator Kit. It's designed to elevate your smartphone videography to a professional level. Experience incredibly smooth and stable shots, even when you're on the move. This gimbal stabilizer ensures your content looks polished and cinematic. With advanced AI tracking, it keeps your subject perfectly framed. Focus on your story, and let it handle the rest. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to start creating. It's the ultimate tool for aspiring and professional content creators alike. Designed for ease of use, it's simple to set up and operate. Get professional results without the complexity. Its versatile design allows for a wide range of shooting possibilities. Capture dynamic perspectives that will impress your audience. What we like. This is a powerful gimbal designed for smartphones, offering advanced stabilization for professional-looking footage. The included creator kit provides essential accessories to enhance your content creation workflow. If you are a serious content creator looking for a comprehensive solution that includes everything you need to produce high-quality videos with intelligent tracking features, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The DJI RS3 Mini is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around for extended periods without fatigue. Its intuitive controls and quick setup process allow for smooth and stable footage, even for beginners. The gimbal's compact design and foldable nature make it very portable and convenient for travel. Number 1. MINGVEN Avata 2 ND Filters, 6-pack. Elevate your drone photography with this comprehensive 6-pack filter set. It includes CPL, UV, and a range of ND filters from ND8 to ND64, providing precise exposure control for any lighting situation. The CPL filter enhances scenic shots by reducing reflections and improving clarity, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes. The UV filter protects your lens while preventing unwanted ultraviolet light. Engineered for minimal weight, these filters won't impact your drone's gimbal or calibration. They maintain perfect balance and aerodynamics for agile, uninterrupted flights, attaching securely with a snap-fit design. Experience superior image quality with advanced coating that prevents color deviation. These filters are also waterproof, oil-proof, dust-proof, and scratch-resistant for lasting performance. Crafted from environmentally friendly US-sourced optical glass, they offer exceptional clarity and true color reproduction. Effectively manage highlights and prevent overexposure, even in bright daylight. Keeping your filters clean is simple. Use the included cleaning cloth to easily wipe away water, dust, and other smudges, ensuring crystal clear shots every time. What we like. This set provides essential filters like UV, CPL, and various ND levels to give you precise control over exposure and image quality in different lighting conditions. Their lightweight and snap-fit design ensures they won't interfere with your drone's gimbal or flight performance. If you're a drone videographer looking to enhance your aerial footage with professional-grade optical accessories that are easy to use and maintain optimal flight dynamics, these filters are a must-have. What people say. The DJI OM6 is a fantastic gimbal that offers incredible stabilization for smooth video footage. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry around, and the magnetic phone clamp ensures a secure attachment. The built-in extension rod is a great addition, allowing for more creative shooting angles and wider shots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.